Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add games to your wish list on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, we have the library, the community, and your profile. Also in the middle, we have a tab where you can see your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar at the very end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add games to your wish list on Steam. So adding games to your wish list on Steam is easy and helps you keep track of the titles you want to buy. First, launch the Steam client on your computer or visit the Steam website. Then use the search bar at the top to find the game you're interested in. Click on the game's title to open its store page. And on the right side of the game store page, click the Add to Your Wishlist button. The game will now be added to your wishlist and you'll receive notifications about discounts, updates, and more. So guys, you just need to go and follow these 4 steps and you'll be doing it in just no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.